After so many months, Rosie's going to another vet to get sterilized. She's in heat. What's going on? The kitten has been rescued by the vet. He's been here for now probably almost 2 months, and yeah, he told me that he's negotiating with his wife so they can bring her in or him in to their place. They already have 2 cats. Actually, he couldn't see anything, but now he can see a little bit. Hey, beauty, how's it going? Ready? She's been here since May 8th, 2024. And today, we're December 4th, so crazy. Huh? That's where she's been for all this time. There you go. Oh, she has some toys over here. Check this out. It's looking great. You're looking great. Hey, how's it going, girl? How's it going? All right. It's the very first time that she's going out somewhere else since I've dropped her 6 months ago or 7 months ago. So you can hear her. She's in her heat period, and the vet couldn't sterilize her because she grew up in his office. So yeah, he said it was hard on him to do it. So we're gonna take her to my first vet, so she can get sterilized. You ready? Let's go. Hey. All right, let's go. We're running through outstanding vet bills, and unless they're paid by the end of December, many cats will not be undergoing their treatment. So please donate whatever you can and leave the links down below in the description. I have Rose here, her health records, and yeah, now we're going to the vet. Alright. Different spot. She's confused. Hey, what's going on? Hey.